Hi there. Today, we're diving into some exciting updates that will elevate your browsing and shopping experience on our platform. Let's explore the new sorting features together. Begin by navigating to the Marketplace or Swag sections and click on the filter icon. In the first column, you'll find our newly added categories and subcategories. Let's take books as an example. Once you've selected a category, its related subcategories will appear, allowing you to narrow down your choices to your preference. Feel free to select multiple categories and subcategories. The same process applies to the by occasion and by job functions columns. Additionally, you can set a predefined product price range or customize one that aligns best with your budget at the bottom of the page. But that's not all. Our advanced sorting filters empower you to organize items according to your preferences. You can sort alphabetically from A to Z or Z to A, arrange by price in ascending or descending order, or even sort by the number of items in stock. The choice is yours. Make sure to click Save button and explore gift options Giftpack has to offer. With these enhancements, we're certain your browsing and shopping experience on Giftpack will be smoother than ever before. Dive into the new features, uncover personalized gifts, and elevate your gifting journey with Giftpack. Enjoy your shopping experience, and until next time, happy browsing!